So we're on our way to get Rachel because we got a call from her that I don't know how, but she's in top. Oh my God, she's on top of a rock. How the hell did she do that?
Oh my God.
Dude, are you serious?
Oh, Kalia is okay.
I hope Kalia's okay too.
You got about to witness the world's worst driver. I can get it down. You just gotta pull it and that's it.
She got on top of a rock, guys. Like, she literally got on top of a rock. Where is she? Wait, we gotta get this on video. You guys are not gonna believe this, but this is Rachel for you guys. How did
I get a high load over here? I think a high load will lift it up. This is a small car.
Yeah, probably.
That is unbelievable.
I worked for this company for 11